Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome back to your online classes, my dear students. This is your Tazib sir. Okay, my dear students. And what we are going to learn today? You have any idea, dear? What we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn a chapter number 11, perimeter and area. But in chapter number 11, further details, what we are going to learn? 11b, exercise number 11b. Okay, today we are going to learn exercise number 11b. Means I am going to teach you today exercise number 11b. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So, what to do, dear all? We have to first of all check today's quote, and then after we will move on our exercise. What, my dear students? Here, first of all, let's check today's quote, and then after we will move on further, my dear students. So now I am going to present here today's quote. Let's check here, my dear students, today's quote. Read first today's quote, and then after we will move on further. Problems are not stop signs to they are guidance. Okay, problems are not a stop signs, they are a signs, they are a guidelines. Means problem, we have to learn from our problems. Okay, in next, if our next time is problem is coming, so what we are do that time? Okay, so means they are guidelines. Okay, problems are not a stop signs, they are a guidelines. Got my points, my dear students? So now let's check here today's content. Okay, what is the today's contents, my dear students? Today's contents is what? Exercise number 11b. Means today we are going to learn exercise number 11b. Got my points, my dear students? Today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn exercise number 11b. Which exercise number, my dear students? Exercise number 11b we are going to learn today. Okay, and exercise number b, 11b, in question number 1 and 2, only 2 questions we are going to learn. Okay, and then after we are going to learn a practice sum of the perimeter. Got my points, all my dear students? Practice sums of perimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood, all of you? Okay, and let's check what is the question number first. Okay, here I am going to check. Here we will going to check. Use a centimeter, cm means what? Centimeter, ruler to find the perimeters of the each figure. Okay, means we are going to use the centimeter ruler to find the perimeter of the figures. Got my points, my dear students? Perimeters of the each figures, given figure. This is a question number 1. Again I am going to repeat for you. Exercise number 11b, question number 1. Use a centimeter ruler to find the perimeters of each figure. What my points, my dear students? Means we have to we have to measure by the using of ruler, by the using of scale. Understood, my dear students? So this is a question number 1. Okay, and that all question I am going to teach you now further. Okay, and what is the question number 2? Question number 2 is finding the missing length. Means any shape is you have to give they have to given us. Okay, and one side one length is missing there, so means we have to find that missing length. How to find the missing length, that also I am going to teach you. Okay, any one figure is there and it's a 4 side or 3 sides, so one side is missing, so I am going to teach you how to find the missing length. Got my points? And I am going to telling you how to find the missing length, my dear students, and a practice sum of the perimeters. Okay, practice sum of the perimeter. So means we are going to learn a practice sum of how to find the perimeter as per I was told you. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. Now we will move on our session. First is what? Exercise number 11b, question number 1. Use a centimeter or ruler to find the perimeter of each figure. So my dear students, again I am going to repeat for you. Exercise number 11b, question number 1. Use a centimeter ruler to find the perimeters of each figure. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, again I am going to repeat for you. Means we have to use the ruler. Okay, in online is this not possible. So what do I that time? I am already given already right in a beside the figure measurement. Means measurement what? Means a centimeter. Okay, I am going to mention there a measurement, how it's long and how and it's a length in centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Only I check and write the properly what length of given figure. Okay, so now let's check what is the question number 1, my dear student. See which shape is here is present in front of you all my dear students. Triangle shape. Okay, is this a triangle shape, my dear students? And now I am going to write here my dear students centimeter. And my dear students, I am going to write here the centimeter. Okay, 2.5 centimeter. Here is the 2.5 centimeter, my dear students. And then after here is also 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. How many, my dear students? 2.5 centimeter here. Okay, and here is how many, my dear students? 3.5 centimeter. Okay, you have to measure if you have a textbook. So my dear students, you mention, means you are going to write, otherwise you checked with the help of with ruler or scale. Okay, here is this all sides are given the length, difference length. Both sides are equal length and this different. Okay, so as per we are going to find the perimeters. We have to find the perimeters. 3.5 semi plus, my dear students, 2.5 centimeter then after again 2.5 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? Again I am going to write here 3.5 centimeter here, then after the 2.5 centimeter 2.5 centimeter here, then after plus 2.5 centimeter. Got my points? Then after, my dear students, we are going to do the addition, and then after is equal to, we put the P is equal to, we don't know how many, my dear students, we don't know, but we first of all do the addition. Okay, 2.5 plus 2.5, how many, my dear students? 2.5 is equal to 5. 2 and 2 is equal to 4, and half is equal to its mega 1. Okay, so 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, and 0.5 is as it is. Answer is what? 8.5 centimeter. How many, my dear students? 8.5 centimeter. What my points, my dear students? Understood? This is our answer, my dear students. So now you note down this answer, my dear students. I'll give you time here. This is your exercise number 11B, question number 1. You have to write the compulsory in your fair book, my dear students, and then after I'll give you in homework. Okay, that time you are going to write in your rough book. Okay, my dear students, understood all? So what you have to do, you have to write this in your fair book. Now, first of all, put the heading maths, date, instructions, exercise number 11B, all things I am going to telling you here. So dear, what I am telling you, you have to note down this sum in your fair book, my dear. Compulsory you have to write in your fair book, sorry dear, and then after you have to write in your rough book, in homework. Okay, after completing this lecture and I'll give you homework, so you have to write a wall exercise, mean those questions we have done today, only those questions you have to write in your rough book. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? So my dear students, now we will move on further. If you haven't done, so now we will move on further. Okay, do fast all, and then after we will move on further our session, means on question number 2. Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you? Now we will move on further here, question number B. B is what, my dear students? B is, see, this is shape of B. Okay, I am going to write the what, my dear students? Centimeter here, 3 centimeter. Here is also same, a 3 centimeter. Here is the also same, a 3 centimeter, as per I was told you, my dear students. And then here is what? 3.5 centimeter. And here is also same, my dear students, 3.5. How many, my dear students? 3.5 centimeter. My points, all of you understood all? 3.5 centimeter. Okay, understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So you note down this all length of these side segments, and then after we will going to find the perimeters. Okay, in perimeters what we have to do, my dear students? You have okay, one more thing, my dear students. If you have a textbook, if you have a maths textbook, so take out your math textbook, take out your maths textbook, and this all shape is given this shape, you have to measure with your scale. Okay, my dear students, 1 to till here. Put my points, all of you, what I am telling you, you take the scale and measure properly. Okay, and then should you write here the length. Here 3 centimeter, see, here is 3 centimeter, here is also 3 centimeter, here is also 3.5 centimeter, and here is much more, 3.5 centimeter. Got my points, all of you? So now I am going to write here 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. See here, 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. Got my points, all of you? Understood? Then after here is, my dear students, I put the plus sign here. Then after is 3.5 semi plus 3.5 semi. Got my points, all of you? Okay, I hope you all are understood, dear all. Then after we will move on further, my dear. Okay, then after we will move on further. Got my points? So now here we will going to do the addition. 3 plus 3. How many, my dear students? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3. 9. 9 plus 3. 10, 11 and 12. 12 plus half and half. 13. Got my points, my dear students? 12 plus 1 means half and half is a 13, but it's make a 1. Okay, my dear students, got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, note down this whole sum, dear all, in your book. Do fast. It means we have to write here the perimeter. P is equal to how much? How many, my dear students? 1330 centimeter. Okay, and compulsory you have to write the units. Which unit? Centimeter or meter or inches. Got my points, all my dear students? Compulsory you have to write the units there. Then we move on further, my dear all. So, my dear, again and again I am telling you. So, my dear students, understood? I hope you all are understood. Now, first of all, you write the whole things here. 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter plus 3.5 centimeter is equal to P is equal to 1330 centimeter. Got my points, all? Got my points, all of you? Okay, all? So now you note down this answer, my dear students, in your book. All do fast. And one more thing, 0.5 is equal to 1.5. Means 0.5 is shows a half of 1. Okay, 0.5 it shows half of 1, my dear students. Okay, so that's why 2 half it's make a 1 and 0.5 it's make a 1 also. 0.5 plus 0.5 it's make a 1 also. Got my points, all of you? Compulsory you have to write these whole things in your book, dear all, in your fair book, as per I was told you, my dear students. Then after we will move on further, dear. Okay, see, this is a what all, my dear? This is a shape and we have to write the length. So I am going to write here the length of this shape, 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. My points. And then after here is a 3 centimeter. Here is the 3 centimeter. Here is also same, my dear student, 3 centimeter. Got my points, all of you? And then after here is also same is what all? 3.5 semi here, and downside is 0.5 means 0.5 is what? 1.5. It shows 0.5 shows 1.5. It shows 1.5. Got my points, my dear students? Understood, all of you? Understood, all of you? Here is also same 0.5 semi. Got my points, all of you? So now here we will going to do the addition here, and then we will going to write the answer. First of all, try to draw this shape, my dear students, in your book all. And then after further you are going to write the centimeter. Do fast all. Use the centimeter, this means we have to use here the units. Okay, after you all are writing, directly we are going to write the answer. No need to write the full method. Okay, so see here, 4, see here my dear students, 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, 3 plus 3, how many my dear students? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. How many? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 plus 4, okay my dear students, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus this half and this half, it will make a 14. 14 and half, it means 15. So we are going to write the P is equal to perimeters is equal to 1515 centimeter. But my points, all my dear students, perimeter of given shape is 1515 centimeter. Put my points, all of you, what I am telling you, I hope you all are understood my dear all. So you have to note down these sums, and only I am not writing because of this sum is your own self practice. Only I give here the measurement and length and answer. You have to do 4.5 centimeter plus 3.5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 0.5 means. Okay, if you are going to write a 1.5 centimeter, so it's correct or same. Okay, but otherwise you can write there 0.5 centimeter and 0.5 centimeter. And then after P is equal to 15 centimeter, 1515 centimeter. Got my points, all of you. So now you note down this all answer, dear all. And then we will move on further, my dear students. Okay dear all, do fast, then after we will move on further. So only we have done the question number first. Okay, what is the question number 1? Use the centimeter ruler to find the perimeters of each figure. Put my points, all of you, what I am telling you here, only we have done the question number 1. Use a centimeter ruler to find the perimeters of each figure. Only we haven't done this one question. Question number A, question number B, and question number C. We haven't done only this question. My points, my dear students. So what about the second question? Find the missing length. So that question we are going to find in next session. Got my point? That all question we are going to find in the next session. Understood? Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find the perimeters of the given shape. Okay, and then after, first of all, with the help of ruler, with the help of scale, you have to measure the side, you have to measure the segment, and then after you will be to write the answer. Okay, got my points, my dear students. Again and again I am going to repeat. First of all, you take the scale, ruler, and measure the side. This side, see, this side, this side, this and this and this. All side you have to measure with the help of scale or ruler, my dear students. And then after, you will be going to the method of perimeter. Write the method how to find the perimeter of shape. Got my points on? You have to note down these all things, my dear students, in your book. Understood, all of you? So now I'll give you today's homework, my dear students. And further left question number 2, find the missing length and practice some of the perimeters. That all question we are going to learn. We are going to learn in next session. Got my points, all of you? So now today's homework is what? Homework. Today is your homework. Note down this homework, my dear students. Exercise number 11b. Question number 1. How many, my dear students? Exercise number 11b, question number 1. You have to write in your rough book. 2 times in your rough book. Got my points? This is today's homework. Okay, my dear all, this is today's homework. My dear students, note down this homework in your book. Do fast all. Okay, got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Understood all? So thank you so much, my dear students. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, my dear all students.